Volcano. Wow, perfect cones. So hello guys, good morning. Welcome to the vlog. So today I'm here at LEGAZPI, here at my cousin's house. So yesterday we came here because we went to the DFA to process our passport, me and my parents, and now early in the morning we are walking outside enjoying the view. This view guys, wow, Mayon Volcano. Wow, perfect cone. So going there at the highway, walking and then enjoying the view and the fresh air. So come on guys, let's walk. Oy, oy, oy. Let's go and see the Mayon Volcano early in the morning. Here my view, the back. Mom already taking pictures and the air is so nice. The wind blows so nice. Yeah. Wow. So this is the main road, the highway. Oh, Mayon Volcano. Oh, it's so nice. We are lucky because there's no clouds. So covering the mountain, the volcano. So we see it clear, the beauty of Mayon. Wow. Very beautiful. Cars are passing. Later today, whole day, we're going to explore the place. So we're going to visit some area, some beautiful place here at LEGAZPI. So nice. So that's it guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you on the next one guys. Bye bye.
Can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth.